Years ago, Impressa Modular developed what we call the Advanced Modular Off-Site Solution, or AMOSS. AMOSS is a great way to describe what it is we really do, which is hybrid construction. Hybrid construction is made up of a number of different construction disciplines as well as manufacturing processes. By taking modular construction and using it as our base, we add into that panelized construction, componentized construction, as well as in some cases log and timber and concrete construction. We're able to take what's the base modular construction and extend its capability. With modular construction, one aspect of the hybrid construction technique, we are taking a house plan, dividing it up into modules. Those modules typically have widths of 14 feet or 16 feet. We can create modules as little as 10 feet wide. If we go any smaller than that, then we have transportation issues that we usually try to avoid. Once we create and divide the house plan up into the modules, then we have to deal with complex roof structures. Complex roof structures are going to typically require that we use panelization. Panelization means we're probably creating crickets or saddles or dormers or porches or any number of components, even garages. We're going to divide those into and create panels and then assemble those panels on site to be the complete structure. Then we have components. Components are going to consist of things like the dormers, where we're going to assemble them at the factory as a subassembly, deliver them to the site on a parts carrier, and then the crane will drop those or install those onto the main modular assembly. In some cases, we're using what's called SIPS panels, structural insulated panels. The structural insulated panel is typically a EPS foam sandwich with OSB on the exteriors. It's a highly cost-effective way to create a very insulated structure. We might use those for roofs, we might use those for walls, but we can incorporate those into the design not only for architecturally appealing aspects, but for energy efficiency. Then there's other items that we might use like for the log and timber aspects of a building system. In this case, we're going to use log siding in a lot of cases to create what we call modular log home. Concrete is typically used for the foundation. On many modular homes, we're using a panelized concrete foundation system. One of the popular ones is called Superior Wall, mostly found east of the Mississippi. That means your foundation is divided up into panels, delivered to the site, and assembled in Lego-like fashion. Shortly after that, your house is installed on that same foundation. That not only brings strength to the building process, but it brings speed. In some cases, we've been able to deliver a house and from hole in the ground to house under roof in 36 hours. So taking all of this into consideration, we've been able to develop a hybrid approach that we think is unique to us, and our trademark name is the Advanced Modular Off-Site Solution.